Welcome back, and we are getting a big update. Remember, we've been talking about how the cloud seeding is going to be conducted today, and we're now getting an update that it has been completed. That entire cloud seeding exercise using the Cessna aircraft now stands completed as the process has concluded. And this is what we are learning. Very, very shortly, we will get an update on the cloud cover that will result in the artificially induced rainfall over regions of Delhi NCR. Remember, we also spoke about how the Cessna aircraft had arrived from Kanpur to Meerut, and now an update that the cloud seeding process is complete. My colleague Anshul is joining us with that update. Anshul, cloud seeding complete. Which area can one expect that artificial rainfall to commence from?
Well, the initial information that we are picking up by the Delhi government is that the cloud seeding process has happened, and it has happened in the North Delhi area of the national capital. That is in places like Burari and Delhi University, etc. In those locations, the cloud seeding process has come to an end. The authorities are hopeful that it will actually bear the fruits that they are hoping for. But it is still a wait and watch, because it could yet again take anywhere around half an hour to 2.5 hours for the rains to actually happen on ground, and there is no way for at least us to find out if at all the rain that will happen eventually will happen due to cloud seeding, or will it happen due to the natural rains, because at this point in time there is a lot of clouds that have already engulfed the national capital. So rains were already predicted by the IMD, but since now cloud seeding has been done specifically in North district of the national capital, it remains to be seen if at all rains will happen through that process of artificial rains. The Delhi government is in fact also prepared to carry out another round of cloud seeding if the weather permits. And today evening we can expect that yet another round of cloud seeding could happen as well.
So let me just once again talk about all of the update that Anshul is bringing to us. Reiterating those points, Anshul, the other update that we are in fact being given to understand is that the Cessna aircraft is now back in Meerut. So the first exercise of cloud seeding is successfully completed. Now after the seeding, depending on the moisture content of the cloud, it could take another half hour, 1.5 to 2 hours for that artificial rain to in fact happen. And if the weather permits, like Anshul is mentioning, there could be another round of seeding that could take place before sundown this evening. Anshul, any update on the time that the Met Department is giving after the successful completion of this seeding exercise, the first round?
The Delhi government at this point in time is saying that we could wait for another 45 minutes to an hour for to see the exact results. But these are just predictions at this point in time, because whatever calculations are made, these are basically mostly on predictions that are made from the side of the IMD and the weatherman and the other agencies that are involved in this entire experiment. So there is this prediction that the right process of seeding the clouds has happened, and the SOPs that were put in place by IIT Kanpur, those SOPs have been followed in the right way and right manner, and hence the experiment, the process of experiment that was done, that has been done in the right way. Now results are awaited. It could take another 45 minutes to an hour for those artificial rains to happen. But yet again, as I mentioned, there is no particular way to find out if that will happen, if at all they happen, if they are natural rains or they are artificial rains, because as I mentioned that the prediction today by the IMD has already been made that over the next 2 days from today, there are predictions of rains that could happen out here in the national capital. So it remains to be seen how quickly will the clouds now respond, and if at all the entire experiment and the SOP that has been followed by the Delhi government, will they actually bear the fruits that the Delhi government is hoping for. At this point in time, the initial process of this entire experiment has come to an end. Now it's all wait and watch, and that is what the Delhi government is doing at this point.
Right, absolutely. Anshul, the fact that you have been mentioning it's the northern side of Delhi where the cloud seeding exercise has been conducted. We also were joined by our colleague Shrishti, who was talking about the fair amount of, precautions that need to be put in place. There needs to be permissions that are taken, and that is a requirement for the Cessna aircraft to be airbound in that area. So which areas in Delhi can one keep an eye on, and can one expect that artificial rainfall to happen now? area-wise, if we divide it, what specific places in Delhi one can expect that rainfall to happen?
If you see the entire map of Delhi and how it has been distributed, it has basically been distributed in seven different districts. The exact location at which this process of cloud seeding has happened this time around is actually in the northern district of the national capital, places like Buradi, places like the Delhi University, the other places in and around that vicinity. All these places will come under these clouds which have been seeded at this point. But as I mentioned, it remains to be seen if at all the experiment has been done successfully or not. For that, we'll have to wait for an official confirmation to come in from the Delhi government. But if we speak about the permissions that were required, since Cessna is a light aircraft and it cannot fly at a greater height, and hence the most important requirement for Cessna is a clear airspace that could be made, and hence locations like which are highly sensitive locations like near the airport, locations like near the Latins Delhi. All these locations are away from the flight path of Cessna, whereas the outer locations of the national capital is something that the Delhi government is targeting at this point in time. It remains to be seen when will that happen, if the experiment is successful or not. But yes, definitely a big step by the Delhi government, as finally some relief, temporary relief could be sought from this process that has happened. But yet again, it remains to be seen if at all there will be natural rains or this will be artificial rains that will happen, because rains are supposed to happen today within the next few hours itself. In fact, the entire area of Delhi is actually engulfed in very dark clouds at this point in time. The temperature has also fallen down. This indicates that there could be natural rains that could happen out here in the national capital within the next few minutes itself. But however, the Delhi government has tried this out as an experiment to make sure that in future, if at all the requirement is there to carry out this process of cloud seeding, can it happen or not? So that is the results of this entire experiment will definitely give us a very clear idea as to how successful has this experiment been in our country. What are the results that we have been? What are the readings that have come out? How much time has it taken for the rains to happen? Because as I mentioned, it could take anywhere around 30 minutes to 2 hours for the rains to happen, depending upon the condition of the clouds. And if at all the clouds that have been seeded, if at all their moisture content is less than 15%, then this entire process of cloud seeding will actually fail. So the moisture content in those clouds.
And Anshul, we were talking about the highly polluted areas of Delhi. You mentioned Buradi. We're also now getting an update that possible locations where this rainfall can be expected.
सरकार के द्वारा हो सकता है, उसे हम करना चाहते हैं, तो हर चीज़ को हमने ट्राई किया है और इसीलिए क्लाउड सीडिंग को भी हमने एक ट्रायल दिया है कि इसके माध्यम से यदि दिल्ली के पॉल्यूशन की समस्या का समाधान हो सकता है तो हमें करना चाहिए. पर ये एक एक्सपेरिमेंट है, देखते हैं इसमें से क्या निकल के आता है. और एक्सपेरिमेंट अगर सफल हो जाता है तो मुझे लगता है कि एक समाधान जो दिल्ली वासियों के लिए बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण होगा वो निकल के आएगा, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिपेंडेंट रहती है क्लाउड सीडिंग पे. आपका बादल, उसमें नमी के साथ में हवाएं, ये सब कुछ किस तरीके से परिस्थितियां बनाते हैं, वो कितना सफल हो पाता है, ये अपने आप में हम सब के लिए भी नया है, क्योंकि दिल्ली में पहली बार है. पर मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि ये ट्रायल सफल हों और दिल्ली को इसका लाभ मिले.
There you heard the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta speaking about an experiment in the form of cloud seeding that the Delhi government has initiated. And now after the successful first round of cloud seeding that has been completed, one can expect rainfall in areas of the national capital like Karol Bagh and Mayur Vihar. The northern part of Delhi, which is supposedly the most polluted, is also where the cloud seeding exercise really was conducted. This was the first phase of cloud seeding, and if the weather permits and the cloud cover remains, we might expect a second round of cloud seeding as well. And this is what the Delhi Chief Minister also was talking about. Anshul continues to be with us on the broadcast. Anshul, a reassuring statement there by the Delhi Chief Minister as well after the successful completion of the first round of cloud seeding.
Well, definitely, even the chief minister is not that confident when it comes to taking out the results, because now everything depends on the current weather condition. If at all suddenly the clouds scatter, then this entire process of cloud seeding will bear no fruits. Now everything depends on the nature. Unless as we still await the results of this cloud seeding to happen. Will that happen in the next half an hour, or will it take more than 2.5 hours? That is something that remains to be seen. But definitely, this is a big step that has been taken by the Delhi government, just as a step, even as an experiment. And if this experiment gives any sort of positive results, then definitely this is a ray of hope for the people of Delhi, that temporary relief to the people of Delhi can be given through this process of cloud seeding, because over the next few months, as it has already been predicted by the IMD, that the condition of pollution through the winters is going to be very difficult and very bad for the people of Delhi. So cloud seeding is one through which some sort of a temporary relief could be given to people on bad days, on polluted days as well. So this is something that the Delhi government is hoping for. This is something that the Delhi government is thinking that it will help them in chalking out the further plan to at least tackle the immediate responses of pollution and figure out the exact responses of pollution. But as I mentioned, now everything depends on the current nature and how the clouds behave. If at all there are winds and the clouds are blown away from here, then definitely there is nothing that the government can also do in this entire case. But what the government is observing, what the Delhi government is trying to observe at this point, that this entire process of cloud seeding, one, is it viable? Two, is it practical? And three, if at all the right amount of clouds have been seeded so that the relief could be granted. Because if at all the amount of chemical, the sodium iodine chemical that is fled into these clouds, if at all their amount is higher than what is needed, then there could be conditions of flood. We have seen that happening in other parts of the world, Dubai, where the experiment failed due to a large amount of chemical was seeded in those clouds. And if at all the amount is less, then yet again there will be no impact of this entire process. So the SOPs that were made for the first time, they have now been followed in the exact manner, with the purpose of carrying out rains out here in the national capital. So within the next half an hour to an hour, we can expect that the Delhi government will come out with with absolute clarity as to what has the results been in this entire experiment that has been carried out of cloud seeding.
Right, and the areas that you have been bringing to us where this artificial rain is expected, Anshul, we are learning of Burari. You already mentioned Burari, also Karol Bagh, Mayur Vihar and Maujpur area of the national capital. All of these areas which have been really very badly polluted, and something that has been seen as far as the air quality index is also concerned, how these areas have shown concerning air quality on the meter. Now some relief, some respite expected if the clouds permit, and if at all that artificial rain does happen.
Definitely these areas are actually remain very polluted, because these are on the outer circles of the national capital. These areas actually sees a lot of transport, be it logistical transport, be it the normal public transport that covers through this area that goes through this area, and hence the pollution in these areas are generally on the higher side when you compare it with other areas of the national capital, such as South Delhi, or for that matter the Lutyens Delhi as well. But this area of Outer Delhi was specifically selected because since Delhi is a high security area, and hence permission cannot be granted to any flying object to go over this high security zone, and hence places like the airport and Central Delhi, Lutyens Delhi were absolutely out of bounds for the Cessna aircraft, and hence it was easier for the Delhi government to carry out this entire experiment on the outer circles of Delhi, and that is the reason why North Delhi was selected today. One of the specific reasons was that since this morning there has been a larger cloud cover that has engulfed the entire national capital. Specifically talking about North Delhi, there was a good cloud cover since morning, and hence the decision was taken that yet again this experiment that needs to be carried out should be carried out in a place which gives them the best possibility of bearing these results that they want, and hence North Delhi was selected. Now the cloud seeding has happened. The government has officially confirmed this. But what are the results? How successful has that been? That is something that only the government will have to tell us. And it could take another 2 hours for the government to actually come out with an exact report and results as to what has happened and what is the future course of action that the government is planning.
Right, Anshul. Thank you so much. Successful completion of the cloud seeding process in Burari, Mayur Vihar and Karol Bagh. Very soon we can expect the artificial rainfall in these areas of